today's set is inspired by the lovely Karen Heidi Reese from Nail Sugar on the picture up left corner. So today I'll be using my Aliana hand and I will be doing a comment of the week, and this week's is by Alison Topley. She's put, "Love watching your videos and love this set, thank you very much for sharing." I really appreciate comments like that, it makes it feel good and worth doing. So if you'd like to be mentioned, then make sure you like and comment on the videos. I've done the white nail with SW Nail Supplies on Facebook with white gel polish. I can't remember if I just said that. And the blue is from SBD London, the winter range. I'll put all the details in the description box below so you know which one's which. So I'm just going to do 2 coats of this and cure in for 60 seconds in between each layer. So there's the 2 coats done. So now I'm just going over the white with some base coat. And then I'm going to go over the blue with some matte top coat by Naio Nails. And then cure in the lamp. Okay, so once that's out of the lamp, I'm using Dazzle pixels from Nail Sugar. Just going to get my glitter brush and put some kitchen roll underneath so it doesn't get everywhere. So what I do is dab it in, dab it on, and then just give it a little rub. That's why I put the base coat on, because it's more of a tacky layer. These are absolutely gorgeous, the different effects on different colours. Zoom in there a little bit for you. Okay, so now I'll go over with base coat again. I don't even know why I do it, but yeah, I'll just go over with base coat again. Okay, so now I'm going to be using these gorgeous water decals from Nail Sugar. It's a new range she is doing. So I just cut out which snowflake I'd like as close as possible. Sorry if you can hear me belly, I've just had my tea. So cut it out nice and close. Then I'm going to do this new hack that I can't even remember who showed it. I know Karen's done it and I know Kelly's done it. So what to do is get a bit of water and a brush, dab it on, you don't need much, leave it for say 10 seconds, like so, then just slide off. I was just jigging it around so it didn't have any wrinkles in it, and then just place where you'd like it and push. And there you go. I mean, that one was a little bit too big for the nail, so I do try and file it, but then I end up getting my scissors and cut the excess off. So now I'm going to get this one and cut it in half and do the same again. going to try and place it top right corner. This one didn't want to stick. It's probably because it was wet from the previous one, so I went with that one. And then I tried again and it stuck. Don't know what that was. Trying to move it over slightly. Now I'm going over with some tempering top coat from SBD London. And then pop that in for a cure. Okay, so now I'm just going to get some tempering top coat on this palette here. And then I'm going to get my dotting tool. Where that hair came from. So I'm just doing a rough circle. And don't cure this because we're going to get some glitter. And this one is called Feeling Frosty from Nail Sugar, of course. If you haven't checked out their Christmas shop, you must. So I've got my little scoopy thingy, and then just pour it on, let it soak in, double cure so it goes through the glitter. Oh, I can't speak today. Okay, so that's that done. Now I'm just going to give it a brush off the excess, like so. I went to go over with dotting tool with the top coat, but then I decided to go in with the brush. And then just check your brush that there's no glitter on it before you put it back in the bottle. So now I'm just pop that in for a cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so here I have my Natalie mugridge detail brush, also from Nail Sugar, Goddess gel paint in silver. So I'm just going to go round the bauble and then do like a little string and a little bow. And then pop that in for a 60-second cure. So just, you don't have to be really neat, but like the brush guides round it because it's raised from a nail. So it's quite alright. It's quite easy. Go from the top and then do like a little loop. And another one. There we go. So now I'm just going in with some matte top coat. Just going around, button it up to the bauble because I want that to be shiny. And then pop that in for a cure. That's it so far. So now I've got my little ring palette, get the white gel polish, pop some on. And I'm going to get my little dotting tool. Sorry, it went out of focus. Focus on the dotting tool. This is the first time I have done snow. I can't even think what it's called. But yeah, this is the first time I've ever done it. So I'm just going to go round the cuticle. Oh, does not look painful. You just go round. I just winged it with this one. I just didn't even know what I was doing, to be honest. So fill it all in. Don't cure. Trying to clean up. So leave it as it is for now. Then we're going to get some more glitter. Where have we gone? There we are. Glitter tray, diamond dust, this glitter, oh, love it. And just sprinkle it over, let it sink in, and then pop it in for a double cure. That's at the lamp, just give it a brush off the excess. I'm going to leave that as it is. Okay, so this is the first time doing a French with, well, I'm not very good at French anyway, but this is the first time I've tried it with gel polish, so bear with me. Probably doing it all wrong, but hey ho, you live and learn. So yeah, I'm doing exactly the same as I did with the other nail. Fill it all in, then once you're happy, just sprinkle the glitter over, and then let it sink in and pop it in for a double cure. Been double cured, now just wipe off the excess, and that's that set done. I hope you really enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you again. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.